everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratiksha. Today's video is not going to be about makeup, it's going to be a general awareness video. As we are reopened with increased number of COVID-19 cases, taking care of your immune health is an extreme essential now. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all the immunity boosting products that I am using to take care of my immune health. I hope this video is helpful to you all guys, and if you want to know all those secrets which gives you multiple benefits, then keep watching this. Also, if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. We all know about the different COVID-19 complications. Respiratory issues are at higher risk. It also aggravates with age as general immunity reduces as you get older. In young generation with no underlying illness symptoms, COVID-19 can be a minor infection provided you have a robust immunity and do not engage in activities like smoking or vaping. We all are aware of basic measures, that is sanitizing, washing your hands, social distancing. Some people like to take care of their immune system by adding Kara to their routine, which is made of herbs and spices. Some people add supplements and take a good diet, exercise. We all have our own ways of taking care in this COVID-19. Well, I follow both the ways and I'm sure some of them are definitely helpful to you all. I'm not saying you include everything into your routine, but yes, of course, some of them will be new to you. The first thing I would like to mention is start using a nice N95 protective mask. This is in flavor Haldi, that is turmeric, and it is written here it works by filtration plus killing the germs. It has natural antimicrobial agent. So yes, this is the basic thing. We have been constantly hearing about vitamin C and its importance to our immune system. Well, vitamin C is an essential for overall health and wellness, and the nutrient may particularly benefit certain conditions. I'm going to talk about is an Ayurvedic product. This is Kapiva Wild Amla Juice. You can get this in Wellness nearby you, or you can get on Amazon. So here it is written that wild green Kapiva Amla Juice. It contains vitamin C and calcium, boosts immunity and helps control common cold and cough, has anti-aging properties as a natural exfoliant, giving skin a healthy glow, helps strengthen hair follicles, reducing hair fall, and helps fight early grey hair. Well, this is natural immunity booster. It is written over here. So these are the other benefits apart from the immunity booster. So you can see how important it is to indulge in such kind of vitamin C dosage every day. And it's also written here it's keto friendly, vegan, gluten free, lab tested for safety, premium quality, GPN certified. So yes, this juice is just an amazing option. It is absolutely wonderful for your skin glow and also for the immunity system. The directions of how to use it is mentioned over here, and also they have written here we don't use raw or green amlas as they aren't as nutritious. These are wild amlas that are lower on water content and hence more concentrated. As a result, we pluck them only between November and March. All amlas are cold pressed without the use of heat so that nutrients are retained. Now guys, from my personal experience, I'm telling you this is an amazing product. If you want to believe in Ayurvedic products, then this is the one. This is Kapiva Wild Amla Juice. I absolutely love this one. So what this Wild Amla Juice does for you? Well, it has vitamin C that's going to improve your heart health, going to regulate your BP. Also, it's going to treat all the allergies you have. It's going to prevent you from cancer, and it's going to boost your immunity, boost your energy levels, going to give you a nice skin and enhance your hair growth. So if you don't find this Ayurvedic option, you can go for this next product, that is natural vitamin C and zinc from Pasta. Now this product is something which is easily available in Wellness, or you can also order from Amazon. Now vitamin C is an essential which is water soluble and cannot be created by body. So you can find it in many fruits and vegetables as well, like broccoli, kiwi, strawberries, oranges, lemon, bell peppers. Well, it's commonly advised to get vitamin C from your foods. Well, many of the times while there is a loss of vitamin C due to washing and heating, so one should be mindful of taking the vitamin C dosage in the form of supplements, because it's an absolute essential for overall health of your body. Now, Fast Up Charge is a completely natural vitamin C supplement that delivers immunity boosting ingredients. It has 1000 mg natural amla extract, 10 mg zinc to help boost immune activities, support a robust immunity and increase resistance to your immune challenges. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C in women is 75 mg and in men is 90 mg. However, the upper limit can go between 1000 to 2000 mg per day. So I'm going to highly recommend that start using a vitamin C supplement into your daily diet. That's going to help you to boost your immunity. Now, another product is one of my favorite. This is Moringa powder from Attar Ayurveda, and this has multiple benefits and vitamins, from vitamin A to vitamin C, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, also calcium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, iron. From health and beauty to preventing and cure diseases, this powder is just amazing, guys. Moringa contains twice the protein of yogurt, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 4 times the calcium of milk, also 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 15 times the potassium in bananas, and 25 times the iron content in spinach. It's truly a superfood, guys, and it's a must to include in your routine. Now here it is written the other products that go well with Moringa powder is wheatgrass, chia seeds, pumpkin seed, flax seeds and quinoa seeds. Now I usually make a smoothie bowl out of this, and I add all these seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds and pumpkin seeds. I add this into my smoothie bowl. The most important nutrient we need for immunity is vitamin C, vitamin A and protein, all of which are abundant in Moringa. Now I'm just going to take a moment and describe other benefits of Moringa powder apart from giving you a nice immunity to fight COVID-19. So it's protecting and nourishing skin and hair, protecting liver, preventing and treating cancer, treating stomach complaints, fighting against bacterial diseases, making your bones healthier, treating mood disorders, protecting cardiovascular systems, helping wounds to heal, protecting against kidney disorder, treating diabetes and asthma, reducing high blood pressure and improving eye health. Now guys, did we think that a drumstick plant which is known as Moringa is going to help you out in so many ways? So it's a must to your routine. So guys, if you fail to get all these products, the one thing very commonly available and we are using from years and years, that is this Chyawanprash. It clears respiratory passages, it improves digestion and eases constipation, it enhances energy, it purifies bloods and removes all the toxin, it gives you a nice complexion, it is good for cholesterol also. Also it may increase your alertness and improve your concentration. Another important supplement that I take is vitamin D tablet, because vitamin D has many benefits including maintaining a healthy bones and your teeth. Also vitamin D is something that will help you to protect against several diseases and conditions. The human body produces vitamin D as a result of exposure to sun. However, we can also take vitamin D supplements to boost our vitamin D levels in the body. Now, considering the lockdown scenes, I may or may not get my sun exposure. That is why I also include vitamin D into my diet. So yes guys, by right diet and supplements, Also, by exercising at least 30 to 40 minutes, practicing breathing exercises too, that is yoga. With all these things going hand in hand, you are going to work on a very strong immunity to fight COVID-19. I hope this video is helpful to you all, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, be safe.